Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the second part of the 15th chapter, Travel, Communication and Money. In this session, we are going to discuss about paying for traveling, currency and means of communication. Children, please watch the video till the end because question answers of this chapter are also included in this video. First of all, let us discuss about paying for traveling. We travel to our school or workplace to meet our friends and relatives or to visit different places. We may travel by our own vehicle, a bike, a scooter or a car, which are private transport, or bus, train, ship or aeroplane, which are public transport. We pay for fuel if we are traveling by our own vehicle and for the tickets if we are traveling by public transport. We use money to pay for all kinds of services in the form of cash payments, credit cards, and online payments. Children, now you understood what are the different modes of payments? Cash payments, credit cards, and online payments. Children, next let us discuss about currency. Currency is a system of money used by the different countries of the world. What is currency? Currency is a system of money used by the different countries of the world. Children, do you know the currency of India? Children, the currency of India is the rupee. Next, let us see what is the currency of USA and UK. In USA, it is the dollar, and in UK, it is called the pound. What is the currency of USA? Currency of USA is dollar and the currency of UK is pound. Next, let us study about coins. Coins are made of metals. In the ancient times, they were made of precious metals like gold and silver. But nowadays, they are made of other metals like aluminium, nickel and steel. Children, coins are made of what? Coins are made of metals. Next, let us study about paper notes. Paper notes are also in circulation in the denominations of rupees 1, rupees 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Children, do you know the symbol of rupees? See, this is the symbol of rupees. Next, let us study about plastic money. Plastic money is available in the form of various cards provided to us for making payments or withdrawing money like debit cards and credit cards. Children, next let us study about means of communication. Internet. The internet is the latest and one of the least expensive methods of communication. We can connect with anyone with just a single click. We can do various tasks like booking tickets and paying bills in online. So children, which is the least expensive method of communication? The internet is the least expensive methods of communication. Next, let us study about telephones and mobile phones. Telephones and mobile phone allow us to connect with people from all over the world. Satellite communication. Satellite communication is important for us to send out radio broadcasts and view television programs from all over the world. We receive live weather reports and can view sports events as a result of this communication. Next, let us study about radio and television. Radio and television are very important source of information and entertainment. The print media. The print media, which consists of books, journals, magazines and newspapers, are important source of information. Children, next let us start exercise part of this chapter. First of all, let us discuss some new words which comes in this chapter. First word is movable. Movable means something that can be moved. Next word is snorkeling. Snorkeling means a sport activity of swimming underwater. Next word is trekking. Trekking means walking on or climbing a difficult terrain. Next word is unearthing. Unearthing means finding out. Next, let us discuss question answer part of this chapter. Our first question is, name the different means of transport. Answer is road transport or land transport, rail transport, air transport and water transport. Children, what are the different means of transport? Road transport or land transport, rail transport, air transport and water transport. Second question is, what are adventure sports? Answer is, adventure sports are activities undertaken through the medium of land, water and air and perceived as involving a high degree of risk. What are adventure sports? Adventure sports are activities undertaken through the medium of land, water and air and perceived as involving a high degree of risk. Our next question is, describe two types of bridges. Answer is beam bridge. A beam bridge is constructed on a large number of pillars made of either concrete or beams. Next, arch bridge. An arch bridge is in the shape of a curve. It is made of materials like cement, concrete and bricks. Our next question is, what is currency? Answer is, currency is a system of money used by the different countries of the world. What is currency? Currency is a system of money used by the different countries of the world. Fifth question is, mention three ways of making payments. Answer is, following are the three ways of making payments: cash payments, credit cards and online payments. Next, let us discuss about true or false. First question is, scuba diving is not an adventure sport. Answer is false, because scuba diving is adventure sport. Our next question is, air transport is the fastest means of transport for traveling long distances. Answer is true. Next question is, bus, ship or train are called private transport. Answer is false, because bus, ship or train are public transport. Next question is, STD code stands for standard trunk dialing. Answer is false, because STD code stands for subscribers trunk dialing. Next question is, coins are made of metals. Answer is true, because coins are made of metals. Children, please write down question answers in your EVS notebook and learn them. Thank you and have a nice day.